Hey everyone, just gonna show you one of my newer camping grills. This one I got. This is a BlackStone model, 2 burner, and it's a complete flat top. It's actually quite big, but you could do eggs, omelet, pancakes, French toast, pancakes, and that'd be just perfect for camping. It also comes with this here, which is your connector, goes onto there, and that's for a 20-pound tank, barbecue tank. And then it's got this one here, it's another 20-pound. And here, this here is for your 1-pound green tanks. And that connects right onto that there. Then you can put a 1-pound propane tank on it. Then it has these special cleaners that are designed, because it does have a Teflon coating on the surface. And anyways, that's what I wanted to show you. And it comes with a carrying bag, which I got over here. It needs to be cleaned and whatnot, but it fits completely inside that bag there, zippered bag, and it's got handles on it too, so you can grab the 2 handles and carry it to where you're going. Okay, bye.